Now obviously one of the reasons you probably bought the head unit is like the wireless Android or CarPlay. So basically what you want to do is it's called like Z-Link in here. So if we like open this up, it's going to tell us what's going on here. There's got some things here, floating line, it's like navigation. I like to have this on, just gives you a quick button here that's going to sort of float around to bring it up. So we have those on last sort of mode, so you can just check those, but that's fine how it's set. That's your wired mirroring, so connect to USB. So majority of people are going to be on this Z-Link wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And basically all you need to do, come in the Bluetooth, search on your phone for this here. So I've got my phone, I can see it coming up there. I click on it. It's going to ask me for the pin. I can see the pin on the screen. It says, it gave it like a number here. I said pair, allow, and you can see I'm connected up there on my phone. And now hopefully on this head unit here, we'll get it connected. And then what's going to happen is if we open up, this is like the floating light widget. Obviously if you don't have that, click on here. Wouldn't matter, you connect either way. We open up like Z-Link and you're going to get wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. This in the future when you jump in the car will happen automatically, so you won't have to manually do it. Oh, and you got to also, I missed it. You got to push use CarPlay on your phone. Just keep an eye out for that coming up, because a lot of people miss that and they say it doesn't work because you haven't allowed it to use CarPlay. And you can see we are all good now. We have a wireless CarPlay all hooked up. So that it would be the same for Android Auto, and you can just use it without enabling CarPlay or Android Auto if you just want to use direct Bluetooth.